Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm sharing crispy Palak Pakoda. Golden crunchy on the outside, soft and spicy inside. A perfect evening snack made with spinach leaves and flavorful potato filling. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, add 2 boiled mashed potatoes, 2 tablespoons onion, 1 green chili, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon chili flakes, and chopped coriander leaves. Mix well and keep aside. In another bowl, add 1 cup gram flour, 2 tablespoon rice flour, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon salt. Add 3/4 cup water gradually and make a smooth batter. Keep batter medium thick for proper coating. Now take palak leaf and spread a layer of potato mixture. Use fresh medium-sized palak leaves. Cover with another palak leaf and press gently. Seal edges gently before frying. Dip the stuffed palak leaves into the gram flour batter. Fry in medium heated oil until golden brown and crispy. Fry on medium heat for even crispiness. Palak Pakora is popular during monsoon and winter. Rice flour adds extra crispiness to pakoras. Spinach leaves act as a natural wrap. Stuffed pakoras taste richer than plain ones. Remove and serve hot. Spinach is rich in iron and vitamins. Potatoes gives energy and softness. Homemade pakoras use fresh oil. Enjoy in moderation for a balanced snack. Your Palak Pakora is crispy, flavorful, and perfectly fried. Serve it hot with chutney or tea. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more crispy snack recipes.